There are 4 camshaft sensors, 2 on each cylinder banks for both the intake and exhaust cams, red arrows. You can easily replace these sensors without removing any engine panels, but if you want to give yourself more room, please follow the link provided at the end of this video on articles and videos on engine panel removal for additional assistance if needed. We have removed a bunch of components for photographic purposes only. Here is a clear picture of all 4 sensors, red arrows. Each sensor has a single electrical connection, red arrow. Depending on which sensor you are replacing, you may need to cut the zip ties for the wiring harness, blue arrow. Always reinstall a new zip tie. Squeeze in on the tab on the end of the connection and separate the connection, red arrow. Use a T30 Torx and remove the 2 screws, red arrow. Pull the sensor straight out of the mount in the valve cover. A very small amount of oil may spill out. We recommend and use Porsche synthetic gasket lubricant on all of the O-rings and gaskets with great success. Installation is the reverse of removal. If you are reinstalling the old sensor, always make sure to replace the O-ring, red arrow. The sensor screws are torqued to 10 Newton meters or 7.5 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.